Hello students, today we start a new topic betweenness.
Students, in our last lecture, we discussed about collinear points and non-collinear points. When 3 points are collinear, then there is betweenness. Now we study the term betweenness. If PQR are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. For these three possibilities, we draw three lines and on each line we take 3 points. Now name the points. In first line, sequence is PQR. In second, PRQ. And in third, RPQ. Means here Q is between P and R. Here R is between point P and Q. And here P is between point R and Q. There are three possibilities. Point Q is between P and R. When this condition satisfy, then distance between point P and Q plus distance between point Q and R is equal to distance between point P and R. Whenever these conditions satisfy, then we say that points are collinear and vice versa. That is, point Q is between P and R and 3 points are collinear. How to write the betweenness? P dash Q dash R. We write in this way. In second figure, which point is between? R is between P and Q. Point R is between P and Q. So, distance between point P and R plus distance between point Q and R is equal to distance between point P and Q. When this condition satisfies, then point P, R, Q are collinear and R is between P and Q. How to write betweenness? P dash R dash Q. In third figure, point P is between R and Q. So distance PR plus distance between P and Q point is equal to distance between point R and Q. When these conditions satisfy, we say that 3 points are collinear, and what is the betweenness? That is, point P is between R and Q. How to write? R dash P dash Q. Now we solve question number 3 from practice set 1.1, which is based on betweenness. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. म्हणजे आपल्याला दिलेल्या माहितीवरून काय करायचं आहे? पॉइंट्स हे कोलिनियर आहेत किंवा नॉन कोलिनियर आहेत ते बघायचे. जर कोलिनियर असतील तर बिटवीननेस सुद्धा काढायचे. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, डिस्टन्स बिटवीन P and R is equal to 7. Distance between P and Q is equal to 10. Distance between point Q and R is equal to 3. Here distance between point P and Q is maximum. त्यामुळे आपण सोल्युशन्स लिहिताना पहिल्यांदा काय लिहिणार, डिस्टन्स बिटवीन पॉइंट P and Q इज इक्वल टू 10. कॉल्ड इट स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1. रिमेनिंग 2 डिस्टन्सेस वी ॲड. उरलेल्या 2 डिस्टन्सची ॲडिशन करूया. डिस्टन्स बिटवीन पॉइंट P and R प्लस डिस्टन्स बिटवीन Q and R is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is statement number 2. Now observe 1 and 2. Right hand sides are equal. Therefore, left hand sides are also equal. Therefore, distance between point P and R plus distance between Q and R is equal to distance between point P and Q. Therefore, points are collinear. But which point is between? Here, R point comes in both the distances and P and Q are the end points. Therefore, R is between P and Q. This is from statement number 1 and 2. Therefore, point R is between point P and point Q. Second, distance between R and S is equal to 8. Distance between point S and T is equal to 6. And distance between R and T is equal to 4. First step, which distance is maximum? Distance between point R and S. This is statement number 1. Now remaining 2 distances we add. Distance between S and T plus distance between point R and T is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. This is statement number 2. From 1 and 2, left and right hand sides are not equal. Therefore, left hand sides are also not equal. Therefore, distance between S and T plus distance between point R and T is not equal to distance between point R and S. Therefore, these 3 points are non-collinear points, means points are not collinear. This is reason is from statement number 1 and 2. Therefore, point R, S and T are not collinear points. Students, complete the examples from question number 3. Now we solve question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance between A and C is equal to 10. Distance between B and C is equal to 8. Find distance between point A and B considering all possibilities. First possibility, we draw a figure. Take point A, B, C. Here AC is 10, BC is 8. To find out AB, AC minus BC, we get AB. Therefore, distance between point A and B is equal to distance between point A and C minus distance between point C and B. Reason, we write down A dash, B dash, C. Therefore, ten minus 8 is equal to 2. Second possibility. Here point C is between A and B. Distance between AB is equal to AC plus BC. Ten plus 8 is equal to 18. Region A dash C dash B. We take third possibility. Is it possible? A is between B and C. What happens? This possibility is not possible because AC is given 10. AC is given 10 and BC is 8. Therefore, this condition does not satisfy. Therefore, answer is only these two possibilities, not this. Okay, write down these two possibilities. Student, solve question number 5, which is same as question number 4. Now question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answer of the following question. We take one question. If x dash y dash z length xz is equal to 3 root 7, length xy is equal to root 7, then find length yz. Here we draw the figure or sketch the figure according to given betweenness. We take point 3 and name according to betweenness x, y, z. Here length yz, therefore length yz is equal to xz minus xy. Write down length xz minus length xy is equal to 3 root 7 minus root 7 is equal to 2 root 7.